Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to my Facebook Live. Today is day 29 and tomorrow is the last day, okay, 30th, right? So as you know, I am doing lives all this month and today is 29th day. And since few days I have been doing this manifesting money step by step process. I am sharing you these steps. And today's step is final step. Okay, before sharing with you this final step, so let's repeat all the previous steps. So remember, I had shared with you 5 steps. Okay, so let's repeat those steps and take a summary of that. Okay, what is the first step? Step 1 is to set a high level intention, and step 2 is to break through your money blocks, and step 3 is to develop a wealthy mind, and step 4 is to step outside the box, that is to step outside your comfort zone, and step 5 is create multiple streams of income. So this last step I had shared it with you yesterday. So did you do that exercise, that step 5 exercise, to list down all the ideas of getting this streams of income, new streams of income into your life? Did you write those things? At least 10 ideas did you get? Did you write? And did you resonate with at least one? And how are you going forward with that? Please share with me. And today is final step. So final step is step 6. It is to open yourself to receive financial abundance, that is to elevate yourself to higher vibration. So elevate your vibration to receive the financial abundance. Okay, so you may be knowing this, everything is energy, right? So everything is made out of energy, and this is the scientific fact, right? And also you might have heard about this law of attraction, right? So the law of attraction, it refers to this philosophy that like attracts like, and also, so if we give the energy, whatever kind of energy we give, we receive that kind of energy from the universe. So like attracts like means, so if you give out this positive energy and whatever, say love, compassion and whatever the positive energy, then you will receive that positive energy. So that is how this law of attraction works. And another scientific fact that, so you have these all positive emotions, right? Love, gratitude, compassion. So all these positive emotions have highest vibration, and when you have these positive emotions at that highest vibration kind of emotions, then there is no way that you can have this negative vibration or emotions like depression, sadness, okay, low feeling. So you can have only one at a time. Either you can have positive emotions or either you can have the negative emotions. So in your hand you can choose anything. So if you experience this gratitude, love, yeah, compassion, then it's easy for you to get into that vibration. And if you are always in positive mode, at least you try to be in positive, then there is no place for negative emotions. So today's step is to project this vibration, highest vibration, so that you can receive this abundance. It can be any abundance, anything, financial or health, physical health, mental health, emotional health, or your relationships, any area of your life, anything you want to manifest or anything you want, then you have to maintain this highest vibration, and then you will receive that. Okay, what you give comes back. So very simple way to elevate yourself into this highest vibration is to be in that state. As I said right now, to be in that state means there is love, compassion and gratitude. So to be in this gratitude state is very easy. So you feel gratitude, you say thank you to whatever you are having in your life. So usually it is our usually what is the habit? It has been formed habit that we just focus on what we don't have. So if you focus on, I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this Mercedes Benz, I don't have that farmhouse, or I don't have that a swimming pool on my terrace. So like this, if you focus on that, the feeling is that not enough, I don't have enough things. That little kind of that upsetting feeling will come and your vibrations reduce, right? So instead, you try and focus on what you have. Okay, I have this job, I'm thankful for that. Okay, I have this supportive family, thank God for that. And I have this health, and I have all my body parts intact. Have you seen some people? It may be cliched, but still. So don't look at the people who are like above you and feel sad or feel upset or feel frustrated or irritated. So in order to motivate yourself, you have to see this less privileged people. Okay, just I'm giving the example that we have to we can focus on what we have already and have this gratitude feeling. So take like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, how much time you need. Just say thank you. Morning, when you get up, you say thank you because I can see this morning today, right? So like this, you can say thank you before going to bed also. Take 5 minutes out of your routine, and if you are not able to write down, it's okay. You can just say thank you. That is the easiest way you can rise your vibration to the highest level. Okay, and also you can remember whenever time permits in your whole day, you can remember like your loved ones and children. It's so pure love. The children, if you have children in your life, like maybe your own children or your relatives, like sisters' children, brothers' children. So how much love they show. And the pets, I love dogs. I have my pet, he shows so much love. You remember that feeling, you are elevated to that level. These are the easiest way to elevate ourselves to that highest level of vibrations. If you are going to that vibration, naturally you are sending that higher vibrations to the universe, that positive energy to the universe, and in turn you will get that positive energy, right? So this is the final step, like step 6. If you want to attract anything, you might have seen or heard from the people, okay, I'm doing this, I'm trying to manifest this, law of attraction is not working for me. It is because you have to be in that highest vibration, and what you give, you will get back. Like attracts like, and you should be in that, and you can be in that vibration by following this. Be in that positive emotions like love, compassion, gratitude. So you can listen to this guided meditation also. Take 10 to 15 minutes or short 7 minutes, 8 minutes guided meditation, and listen to that and set yourself to this highest vibration. Okay, so that's the really easy way to attract any kind of abundance in your life. Okay, even I have some guided meditations for gratitude and feeling happiness, joy, love, self-love. All this I have put in my YouTube channel. If you find time, please visit my channel, Transform Your Life with Coach Nalini. There I have put some meditations, guided meditations, and I find that it is easy to follow these guided meditations and elevate myself to that emotional state. I find it very easy. You can also try if you haven't tried. And also tomorrow I am going to share one such meditation. I will be guiding you to such positive emotion meditation. You can follow that. So today's step 6 is that you have to have this, set yourself to that higher vibrations to invite or welcome that financial abundance. Okay, so shall we wrap up this with this summary of all the steps again? Okay, First step is set a high level intention. So make sure you set this high level intention of what you want to achieve and experience in your life. And second is break through your money blocks. So here you can apply all these steps to anything, not only money. If you want anything in life, you can follow same steps, all these steps to welcome and manifest these things. So second is you have to break through your money blocks or any limiting beliefs surrounding these blocks, anything. It can be any blocks around whatever you want in life. And third is to develop a wealthy mind or positive mind. So if you want to have this, think like that. Already you have this in your life. And also another very simple way to do that is that, so you already have this and you say like, I'm having this and thank you for that. Okay, I have 1 crore rupees. Thank you for having that in my life. So that way you can thank. And fourth is step outside the box. So if you are going out your comfort zone, step away from the crowd and you charter your own path, then for sure you will get this, whatever, more ideas, more opportunities, millions of opportunities you get. And fifth step is create multiple streams of income. You can create multiple streams of income. You can find ways to add income. Okay, and positive forms of income. And you have these, yesterday I had shared with you that passive and active forms of income that you can follow. And of course step 6 is open yourself up to receive the financial abundance. Be in that higher vibration. So to elevate your vibrations, this energetic frequency to a super high level, so you can do what? Be in that elevation, that emotional state, positive emotional state. For example, this peace, joy, happiness, gratitude, love, compassion, self-love. So then you can allow your financial abundance to flow into your life. So remember, money flows easily and freely and from everywhere. So friends, this was the step-by-step process for manifesting the money. Okay, I hope it will help you in some way, and please share with me anything. Any feedback is welcome. Okay, and tomorrow I will share with you this meditation, guided meditation. And yeah, that's it for today, and have a great Wednesday and great week ahead. Meet you all tomorrow. Okay, take care. Bye bye.